Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to set up MW product engraving on your Shopify store. With this app, customers can add a name, date, initials, or personal message to selected products. After opening the app, the home page shows your engraving configurations, engraving orders, store languages, and current plan. To begin, click Manage Engravings. This page shows all your engraving options. You can see which products they apply to, whether the engraving is free or paid, and whether each option is active. Click Create Engraving to make a new option. An engraving configuration controls what customers can enter and which products will show the field. First, enter an internal name. This name is only visible to you and your staff. Customers will not see it. Next, enter the customer-facing label. This tells the customer what to enter. For example, enter the name to engrave. Then choose the input type. Use text for names and messages, number for number-only information, or checkbox for a simple yes or no option. The customer preview on the right shows how the field will behave. You can set the minimum and maximum number of characters. This prevents messages that are too short or too long. If customers must complete the field before adding the product to the cart, select Require Customers to complete this field. Type a sample name in the preview to check the limit and character counter. Your Shopify theme will control the final fonts, spacing, and colors. Now choose the engraving price. Select Free Engraving if there is no extra charge. ProPlan users can choose Charge a fixed price and enter the amount that will be added at checkout. Next, click Select Products. Choose the products that should offer engraving and confirm your selection. Remember, one product can belong to only one engraving configuration. Review the customer preview and selected products. When everything is ready, click Activate. Then click Create Engraving or Save when editing an existing engraving. Your changes will not appear on the storefront until they are saved. Saving the engraving does not automatically place it on the product page. Under Display on Storefront, click Add to Product Template. Shopify will open the theme editor. Add the Engraving Section app block to the product information area. Place it near the product options or by buttons, and then save the theme. Return to the engraving editor and click Refresh Status. When the setup is correct, the storefront status will show active. Now open one of the assigned products on your live store. Enter a sample engraving and test both Add to Cart and Buy It Now. Confirm that the engraving details appear in the cart and at checkout. After a customer places an order, open Order Analytics to review the engraving details captured by the app. You can return to the engravings page at any time to edit, activate, deactivate, or create more engraving options. Your basic setup is now complete. The Engraving Section app block is the easiest setup option. If your theme does not allow the block to be placed where you need it, ProPlan users can use the custom liquid embed-code. Open an existing engraving, scroll to Display on Storefront, and click Advanced. Place with custom liquid. First, click Enable Loader. Shopify will open the app embed settings. Turn on the engraving loader and click Save. Return to the engraving editor. In most cases, leave the product form selector empty so the app can find the product form automatically. Now click Copy Code. The app creates the correct custom liquid code for your setup. Go to Online Store, open Themes, and click Customize on your published theme. Open the required product template. Click Add Block and select Custom Liquid. Paste the copied code into the custom liquid box. You do not need to change the code. Move the block close to the product options or by buttons and click Save. Open a product assigned to this engraving. Enter a test message and add the product to the cart. Confirm that the engraving information appears correctly. Finally, return to the app and click Refresh Status. The custom liquid option gives you more control over placement, but the recommended Engraving Section app block is still the easiest choice for most stores. If the engraving field does not appear, make sure the engraving is active and saved. Check that the product is assigned and that the theme changes were saved in the published product template. If you used custom liquid, also make sure the Loader app embed is turned on. Return to the app and click Refresh Status. If you still need help, email reach.miraclewebsoft@gmail.com and include your store URL, product URL, and a screenshot of display on Storefront. Thank you for using MW Product Engraving.